is what you'll need for a deliciously indulgent raspberry and chocolate tiramisu. A bar of chocolate, some vanilla extract. Get the extract if you can. The essence is mainly chemicals, so extract comes from the plant. Some raspberry jam, some hazelnut chocolate spread, eggs, raspberries, mascarpone cheese, caster sugar, and then I like to use these cake bars because they've got chocolate chips in. But if you want to stick to tradition, use ladies' fingers. First thing we're going to do is separate 4 eggs. With your eggs separated, it's time to whisk up your egg whites until they're nice and fluffy and they form little peaks. Once your egg whites form nice peaks, put that to one side, then get your egg yolks, put the sugar in and give them a good mix. With your yolks and sugar mix, it's time to go in with your vanilla extract, about a teaspoon, and then going in with your mascarpone cheese. With your cheese in, it's time to get that mixed in with your egg yolks. With those mixed, it's time to put away your electric mixer, and then we're going to get the egg whites in bit by bit, but we're just going to fold them in with a spatula. When you've mixed in your egg whites so it looks something like that, pop that in the fridge for half an hour just to firm up a little bit. With your mixture in the fridge, time to get your jam. A good tablespoon of jam, and then in with some boiling water. Get that squashed around until it mixes with the water. With your jam mixture mixed, time to get your cake balls if you're using them, or your ladies' fingers if not. With cake bars, cut them in half, and then you're just going to put some of your jam water on there, then onto there, go in with your hazelnut spread, and then into the dish. It's a fiddly job, but it's worth it when you taste it at the end. When you've got a layer of those down, it's time to get your concoction out of the fridge and put a layer of it over them. And then, time to do the same again. So, on with your jammy water and your Nutella. I'm going to put another row down. With your second layer on, time to go on with the rest of your concoction. With everything in your bowl, all that's left is to decorate it. So I'm going to get a potato peeler and just put chocolate shavings on there. And then last but not least, it's on with your fresh raspberries. And all that's left to do is grab yourself a scoop and enjoy.